Hey guys, in this video we're at Heritage Ranch in McKinney, Texas, welding up some iron puppy panels. We're using a piece of 1" by 1/8" flat strap up top, and then we're welding 1/2" by 1/2" vertical puppy pickets. They're 24 inches in length. This is just to give you an idea. If you're having us do this type of project, it'll help you kind of visualize and see how we're actually going to do it. It is a little bit labor intensive. We're welding each one of those pickets on, and there's a little slow motion just to make the video look cool. If you're interested in a project like this, reach out and give us a call. We'll help you get a price and let you know what your options are. Look forward to hearing from you.